John Romeo, life is just like the door of a fridge that you can open and close. You don't know what you're trying to look for, but you just keep opening the door. But sometimes you're just trying to find the nice things, but unexpectedly you find the perfect combination of the ingredients. And someday you find a very old cheese, and then you got the inspiration of new food. But some days there is no ingredients that appeals you, so you just close the door.
Shorter with every hour, every minute of every day. Couldn't sleep even if I wanted to. Need to cherish every moment left with you.
Yeah, it's a sunny.
Switch the lights on.
Yeah.
Last time you came here, we came and got one as well, so really enjoyed it last time. So like, let's go back and get another one.
Around here, from here.
Yeah, we just up the road really, so 5 minutes up the road. Yeah. So we come down for a drink and what we call it. It's nice to try the different foods and stuff. So it's really nice.
It is. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, because it was raining, so the last time I was, I put the card machine on outside in rainy day.
Yeah.
It's dead.
Probably it's a break, dude.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you for coming back.
Yeah, no problem at all.
Day.
Thank you.
Yes, please. Thank you. A little bit of a sunshine back.
I know, that's nice, isn't it? I know.
It is.
Hopefully help people come in as well, doesn't it? Thank you.
Enjoy your afternoon. Thank you. Hi, okay.
Yeah, thank you.
This is spicy special. It's like Korean fried chicken wings. They're quite popular, and that's nice and crispy.
Cheers.
And also we have a spicy sauce, and it's a little kick, but it's nice and kick.
No, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I had it last time. My mum brought me one the last time. It was so good. I was like, I need another one. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
for coming back. Please, napkins.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
I think I remember your mom actually take a box with.
She did.
I think
it was so good. Honestly, I loved it.
I'm glad that you're coming back. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you.
Is it fairly warm in there?
It is. Well, to be honest, like when I'm cooking, yes, it is quite warm, but it's just okay.
Yeah.
But I wear big socks, and
lots of layers.
I do travel quite. I don't have any normal chips. This is veggie mixer fries, and
no worries. That's perfect.
No problem.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Cheers. Thank you. Thank you very much for coming back. And I'm also very glad that you're coming here before closing. It was a bit rainy and quiet, so I was start packing, but you came in. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal. Thank you so much. Thank you. I just want to call you that they want some fried chicken. Yeah.
You pull your hair on
I can make it deep fried if you want. I ended up with a lot of shaw.
The other girls in the backseat, me in the front 'cause I'm bad. And it feels like the prom. That's when never saw like a little drum. And they're waiting for us. Hey, you, jump in your Cadillacs. Here's to the best that we'll ever have. Everyone's watching when we're walking in. Hey,
Your food is ready. Yours is ready. Well, thank you very much. This is normally our Korean sauce, yangnam sauce. It's not spicy, it's a little Korean, but this is a quite spicy one.
Right,
And,
that's a spicy one.
yeah. Just to try a little Korean, but I would say it's quite spicy.
Right, quite, yeah.
So is your first time to try Korean food?
It is,
Yes.
Just the bambam chicken.
Bambam chicken, yeah, thank you. Yeah, bambam chicken is mainly like Korean authentic taste of it, so it will be a little kick.
Okay.
Yeah, and spicy is quite spicy.
Which region of Korea is it from?
The Korean fried chicken, the sauce is called the yangnam, and that's basically coming from Daegu, which is an hour away from my hometown.
Right.
My hometown is Kimcheon, small town. Yeah.
Right, very good.
You can order. Yeah.
Thank you.
Got to share one of them, then if you don't like it, make a pizza. You do like it.
You can try to share.
Is it big enough to share?
If you want to nibble, yes. If you want a full meal, yeah, that's basically one portion is for the one meal. So just a beer and nibbles and yeah.
Why don't we get a chicken and a vegan noodle?
Okay, we'll have a bamban and a vegan, please.
Bamban vegan, thank you. Hi.
Hi, can I have a number 3 and a number 4, please?
Number 3. Yes, you can. Yeah.
Please can I have some of the vegan noodles, please?
Vegan noodle. Thank you.
찬란히 빛나는 너의 이름 일기장 속에 나의 맘속에 I wouldn't change anything 이대로 시간을 돌린대도 나 지금 이대로 처음부터 소중히 담아 나의 이야기 내게 달려가